Welcome, friend. Well done for choosing this moment for yourself. Instead of reaching for coffee or a sweet treat, you've chosen something even better: mindful energy. This will be a deeply restful yet energizing experience. Better than a nap and more powerful than a caffeine or chocolate fix. As you settle in, know that you're doing something truly wonderful for your body and mind. So find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. If you're lying down, place a cushion under your knees. Maybe let your hands rest on your tummy or by your sides, just like a yoga nidra pose. If you're seated, feel free to relax your shoulders and rest your hands in your lap. You're about to give yourself a gift of pure energy. If you're prone to falling asleep and you don't want to, set an alarm on your phone to let you know when your session is over in about 8 minutes. Ready? Let's begin. Take a big, deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling up your chest, expanding your ribs, and exhale slowly, feeling your body soften and relax. With each breath, allow your body to feel heavier, sinking deeper into relaxation. Now, begin at the top of your head. Notice any tension in your scalp or forehead. On your next breath, let it go, allowing your forehead to smooth out and your head to feel lighter. Keep breathing, and as you move your attention down to your face, let your jaw completely relax. Your neck and shoulders soften, releasing any tightness. Feel your arms relax, your hands, your fingers. Bring your attention to your chest now. Allow your chest to open, your belly to soften. Continue breathing deeply as you release tension from your torso down into your hips, thighs, and knees. As your awareness reaches your calves and feet now, let go of any lingering tension. Legs are heavy, comfortable, relaxed. Feel your ankles relax now, your feet, your toes, softening, letting go. You are so comfortable now, so relaxed. You're sinking into the surface beneath you. And now, imagine a ball of energy forming in your toes. Little balls of vibrant energy, sparkling with warmth or even a color. Feel that warmth, the little pricks of energy or even some heat, or perhaps see their bright color. These tiny balls of energy begin to move through your feet, through your legs, into your calves, knees, and thighs. feel them bouncing and buzzing gently as they move up your body, energizing each body part they pass. Let them travel up into your hips, now up through your belly, chest, and arms. Feel these balls of energy moving, recharging, and revitalizing every part of your body. Maybe you can see them bouncing around, swirling through your torso, waking you up and infusing you with strength and energy. Let them continue moving now up your neck and into your head, filling your mind with clear, revitalized energy. They're cleansing your thoughts, letting go of the first half of your day, recharging, refreshing, preparing you for a great second half of your day. Your body is now fully energized. Each part of you is buzzing with life, light, and warmth. Feel this vitality in your whole being. Take a big breath in and let that energy fill your lungs, your heart, and your mind. With each exhale, feel that energy expand, flowing freely through you. You're now fully recharged, completely revitalized. This energy is here for you, and you can return to this feeling anytime. When you feel ready, slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the shift. How you feel lighter, perhaps more energized, more alert. Take a moment to check in with yourself. If it feels right, maybe open your eyes. And when you get up, I invite you to have an icy cold glass of water, or even enjoy a crunchy apple. If you can, put on some energizing music and move your body just a little more to keep that energy flowing. You've done an amazing job of recharging yourself in just a few minutes. I do hope you're feeling great. When you're ready, go back to your day with that fresh energy and calm clarity. And remember, you can come back to this meditation anytime you need a boost of energy.